Oh my god, guys, it's so windy. This one's more short run. I'm so frozen. I put this slick on the back, so we'll see what it does. Anyways, very cold. Maybe 6. I don't know. Yep, it's a 110. I'm not sure if it's a 55 or 110. I'm gonna go too fast. Everything, a bit of off-road, guys. Off-road. They're doing the whole street. Oh my. Well, I guess we're gonna catch you. Guess we're gonna catch you. Let's not scare him. This side is open yet. Oh. Go faster. Very windy. Oh yeah, love that slick. Love that slick. Yeah, we're going this way. Good buddy. Hey buddy. Let's go, buddy. Oh yeah. Nice flags. Love the flags. Thursday, Easter Saint. Oh my camera, what's up? He's taking his time. Yep. Very good break. Okay guys, The people walking. Lucky guys. Quite bumpy. They're gonna play pétanque. I don't know, you say that in English, pétanque. Small balls. A small ball with a smaller ball. One small ball and bigger balls. Get close to the small ball, put your bigger ball. A French game. Okay, let's try here. Thank you. No one around. No one around. And we're against the wind. Against the wind, guys. Unreal. Oh, we're going home. Oh. The wheel, guys. Against the wind, against the wind. No, we're home. Yeah. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Oh. Yes, home sweet home. Oh well. Chewing Mars XTR 1000. Oh, my slick. You like it? PMT slick. Oh my god. Yep, that's a big one. That's a 110 55 6.5. Anyways, thank you for watching. Happy Easter. Take care, guys.